What's up, guys? This is Isaac from Bowie Kitchen&Bath. Well, I wanted to make a YouTube video for a long time, but I had no idea what to do. So this is Bowie Kitchen&Bath, and we do kitchen and bathroom remodeling and all your home remodeling needs. So on this episode, I'm just gonna give you some intro about what we do. We do custom lino cabinetries, we do flooring, such as you see right here, and we do kitchen renovations, we do appliance installations, and we do bathrooms, very nice, unique bathrooms. We do work with natural stones, marble, soapstone. We do granite countertops. And here we do mosaic backsplash for whatever you need, whether it's for bathroom or kitchen backsplash. And here are our tile collections, and they're really unique and not the tiles that you get to see in Home Depot. And here's our granite collection. As you see on the counter, we have about 36 different countertop solutions. So we guarantee 3 days installation. 3 days turnaround is guaranteed. And also what we guarantee is we beat Home Depot and lowest price. Absolutely. If you have a written estimate, we are definitely going to beat it. Alright? Well, thank you for watching my first video. You're gonna see me in the job sites with different videos. Bye-bye.